Window replacement. Lenoir City TN is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our window contractors in Lenoir City offer a wide range of services, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and double-hung windows, ensuring that every home has the perfect fit. With our expertise in window installation, we guarantee a seamless process from start to finish. Energy-efficient windows. Lenoir City are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our window experts in Lenoir City TN specialize in providing top-notch energy-efficient window solutions that meet the unique needs of each client. By choosing our energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Vinyl window installation. Lenoir City is an excellent option for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our Lenoir City window contractors are skilled in installing high-quality vinyl windows that offer long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of styles and colors available, vinyl windows are a versatile choice for any home. Double-hung window replacement. Lenoir City TN are a classic choice for homeowners who value both functionality and style. Our window experts in Lenoir City TN provide professional installation of double-hung windows, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. These windows are easy to clean and offer excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for many homes. Custom windows in Lenoir City offer homeowners the opportunity to create a unique look for their property. Our window design experts in Lenoir City work closely with clients to develop custom window solutions that reflect their personal style and enhance their home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking for a specific shape, size, or design, our custom windows are tailored to meet your needs. Residential window replacement. Lenoir City TN is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our home window experts in Lenoir City provide comprehensive window replacement services, including window glass replacement and window frame repair. We ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and function efficiently. Window replacement services in Lenoir City TN are vital for addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty seals. Our window replacement experts in Lenoir City offer prompt and reliable services to restore your windows to their optimal condition. From window seal replacement to window frame replacement, we have the skills and experience to handle any replacement job. Home window experts in Lenoir City are dedicated to providing top-quality window services to enhance your home's comfort and value. Our team of professionals offers a wide range of services, including window maintenance, window fitting, and window screen replacement. We are committed to ensuring that your windows are in excellent condition and meet your specific needs.